Okay, good day mga farmer. So ito yung ating Black Jersey Giant. Ayan. So getting about this Jersey Giant black. So from Rich One line. So they are much larger size. No? So compared to the other breed line. So this was original from Von line, and it's good because this line is very near from Golda Meir, and Golda Meir is siya yung nakapag-keep ng original base color of the Black Jersey Giant from John and Thomas Black. So yun yung katawan niya, mas matangkad siya. Yan. So yun lang mga farmer. So yun ang Black Jersey Giant.